Hi guys, it's me, Jackee Love, and I'm just showing you what I'm making myself for dinner. I was gonna make this for breakfast, but it didn't happen because I had a lazy day today. But you know, I love my sleep. I'm making me 3 eggs, and I'm gonna make some diced potatoes, like hash browns. Had these, but they're still frozen, so I just decided to make my own potatoes, diced up with onions, and I put bell peppers in there too. And I'm gonna use this bone-in ham steak. My mom used to eat these all the time when I was a kid. And she was like, this is my special thing, you know. So now I'm getting my special thing for myself. Instead of buying a whole ham, I just get this and slice it up and make it into, you know, little meals. So I'm going to do that. And then I got the eggs already you know, scrambled up in here, and I got the potatoes cooking, diced up potatoes, so with the onions, and so when they're nice and brown, then I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking the ham because it's already pre-cooked, and then I'll cook the eggs, and then I will be done with my Christmas dinner, and I'll show y'all what it looks like at that point. So now I'm frying my ham up so that it'll be going good with these potatoes, my stewed potatoes with onions. I didn't put bell peppers this time, but they still taste delicious. And then I'm gonna go ahead and scramble these eggs. And there we go. It is ready. Toast is ready. Hey guys, here's the end result. I already put my hot sauce and stuff on there too. So the ham and the scrambled fried eggs with the sugar-free Smucker's jelly, butter, 100% wheat toast, and my little cubed potatoes with my tapatio on there, little tapatio, and my alkaline water. So yeah, I'm about to get my grub on and finish watching this movie. It's called The Book Club. Merry Christmas again, everybody. Thanks for watching Cooking with Love with Jackee Love. Leave a heart in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Show me a picture of what you guys are eating today for dinner, for your Christmas dinner. And this is mine, so Merry Christmas, guys. I am done. Whew. That was the best for me. It was yummy. I'm a dragonfly.